and if you get 100 sale, if you multiply 100 with 12, let me show you. 100 multiply 12, you are making $12 profit for each sale, and you are getting 100 sale when you are spending $200. If I click on equals, you are getting $1,200, and $200 is your advertisement cost. And if I minus this $200, minus 200 equals, and your profit is $1,000. Hi viewers, welcome to mycpatraining.com. Manohar Shipon here. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can make minimum $1,000 month with dropshipping, with a dropshipping website. And it's very easy. I designed this website for a client. I will show you the full procedure, how you will make a website like this one, and how you will choose the products, and how you will add products to your website. Everything I am trying to show you in this tutorial. Now first time you have to know what is dropshipping. You can do dropshipping many way, but today I will show you how you can do dropshipping from AliExpress. Okay, I am opening AliExpress. You know very well what is AliExpress.com. AliExpress is a multi-vendor website from where a lot of vendors are selling their product with this website. Now what is dropshipping is? Dropshipping is you can sell this product from your website. Suppose let me show you. Suppose you want to sell this product from your website. Just you have to add this product to your website, and here the price is $8. You have to list this product on your website, suppose $15, and you will sell this product from your website for $15. And if a customer purchase this product from your website, you will make profit. Suppose $15 minus $8 equal to $7 per sale. Now you are thinking this is legal or illegal. Obviously this is legal. Nowadays dropshipping is a legal business. Now the question is, why customer will purchase this product from your website with a high price? The customer will purchase the product because suppose a customer is looking for mobile phone. If I search here mobile phone, I want to show you customer searching mobile phone, and here customer will get a lot of mobile phones product. And in this procedure, in this searching procedure, customer is getting confused which product is best for him or her. I want to say which product is best for the customer. Now if you list this product, if you add this product to your website, and you can do marketing for this product with social media accounts. Obviously I am trying to say social media paid marketing method. If you do marketing for this product and customer is getting notification for this product from their social media accounts, and you are showing them this is the best product for customer through your website, and that's why customer is giving order through your website, and you are making huge profit with huge sale. I will try to show you the full procedure. Now how you will make a website like this one. Obviously you can give me an order for this website, but I am showing you how you can make yourself a dropshipping website. First time you have to search a domain. First time you have to search a domain name which is best for your niche. Suppose you want to sell mobile phones, you have to search for mobile related name, for domain name. Suppose you want to sell the product for health and beauty niche, you have to search a domain for health and beauty niche. And when you purchase a domain, you have to purchase hosting, and for this you can go to alidropship.com. I am showing you this site because I made this dropshipping website with Ali Dropship plugin. First time you have to purchase a domain, then you have to purchase hosting from Ali Dropship. Why I am telling you for Ali Dropship hosting? Because we will use Ali Dropship plugin, and maximum hosting doesn't support Ali Dropship plugin. Okay, you have to purchase domain, then you have to purchase hosting, then you have to install WordPress. You have to install WordPress to your domain and hosting, then you have to purchase a plugin, Ali Dropship plugin. There are two plugins, Ali Dropship plugin and Ali Dropship U plugin. You have to purchase this one, or you can purchase Ali Dropship U plugin. Actually both plugins are same, but there is some design option variations. You have to purchase this plugin. Okay, let me show you. I have purchased this plugin, and I have installed this plugin. If I go to plugins, I am showing you the procedure. Ali Dropship plugin. I have installed this plugin and activate this plugin, and this is a successful website for dropshipping. For this reason, I am showing you the plugins which is helpful for you. Full setup for Ali dropshipping website. Here is a plugin Easy Update Manager, and here is a plugin Google Tag Manager for WordPress. Really simple SSL for SSL setup, HTTPS. Sitekit by Google. You have to install this plugin for Google Submission, Smash Pro, Updraft Plus for backup and restore, WordFence for security, and WP Rocket for run your website very smoothly. Okay, when you install this plugin, Ali Dropship plugin, you will get this option, Ali Dropship, and you have to add a theme to your website. Suppose you can collect this theme from Ali Dropship free. Let me show you. If I go to products themes, if you use Ali Dropship U plugin, you have to install these themes, but if you use Ali Dropship plugin, you can use this theme. I used this theme for this design. The theme name is Da Vinci. Just you have to download this theme and you have to install this theme from here, appearance themes, add new, and from here upload theme. You have to browse the downloaded zip file and you have to click on install now. And in this procedure, you can install the theme. Now you have to go to this option, Ali Dropship, and you will get here dashboard, import, orders, reports, settings, add-ons, license, everything. Obviously, you have to give your license code here. You have to click here and you have to give your license code and you have to click on activate. When you activate license, then you will able to use all the functions from here. Suppose if I go to import, from here you can install some products which is recommended by Ali Dropship, profitable product. Just you have to select the product and click on import, and this product will import it to your website. So easy. And you can search by category, import to, you can search by category. Just you have to select the category name which is already created by you, product categories, and you have to select the product and you have to click on import button, and you can search product from here. Suppose if I search mobile, you will get all mobile related products, and you can search with filters. Suppose categories, shipping from China, United States, Europe, you can select any one. Shipping to, you can select shipping to countries. Shipping method, you can select shipping method. Suppose free shipping, you can mention minimum price, maximum price, orders, and you have to click on apply. And with this procedure you can search by with these filters, and see there is an option direct import from AliExpress. You can use this option. If I click here, now you can import products to your website with Ali Dropship plugin just with one click. I am showing you. Suppose you want to sell this product. I am clicking on the product and see my website address is selected here with Ali Dropship plugin options, and here is showing categories, and it is coming from these add-ons. Obviously you have to add these add-ons from browser add-ons options, Ali Dropship add-on, then you will get it here, and you have to select your website and you have to click on login, and you have to authorize your website, then you will get this option. Okay, suppose I need to add this product to my website. I have to open the product and I have to click here import. Actually I want to say you have to select your website, you have to select categories. Suppose this is fashionable product. I am selecting here beauty tools. Okay, import. We can directly import the product to our website. Just click here, just clicking on here import button, or we can edit the product. First we can edit the product, then we can import the product. Let me show you. I am clicking on edit button, and when you click on edit button you will get this interface, and you will get this option general, description, gallery, pricing, attributes. First time you have to change the title. Suppose I think this one is fine. Okay, and you have to change the permalink. Just copy this title and click on this button, delete the old permalink, and Ctrl V, set your new permalink and click on this tick mark and done. Now you can choose categories from here. You can change descriptions from here. You can edit this description from here, and you have to select this option, remove packaging details, and from here you have to be careful about the selling price. Suppose you want to delete this picture, just select the picture and delete, press delete button, and you can edit the pictures like this way. Click here. Suppose you want to remove this text, just take this button and click here, color will selected, and you can remove this text just drawing over the text. So easy. And click on save button. Now let me show you one important thing. I am opening this product again. Here is the product price showing $1.89 to $2.36. So you are selling this product with double rate, just double, because I have done a settings for Ali Dropship plugin. When you are importing product from Ali Dropship, product price will automatically double, just double, and you can change the price from here. Suppose apply pricing formula. If you select this option, your price will automatically double. Suppose, let me show you again. Here is showing to $36, $2.36, and here is showing $4.8. Okay, and this formula you can apply for all variations. Suppose I am selecting apply for all variations, and this pricing formula will apply for all variations, and you can select this option, delete this option. Suppose I think brand name is not important for me, power source, material, manufacturing process, type, model number. I think this is not important for me. Okay, I am clicking on publish button. Just I want to show you how this product is going to my website. Publish. Now if I go to WordPress admin area and click on products, and here is the products. Now I am showing you some settings for this website. Suppose if I go to Ali Dropship, you will get your orders here. For security reason, I hide all the customer informations, and from here you can do tracking. From tracking option, reports, you can see reports from here. You can see sales report, traffic report, and you can do all settings from here. You can do add-on settings from here. I am clicking on this settings button. Order fulfillment, mark order as processed or mark orders as shipped. You have to active both button, and default phone number, you have to give here your website phone number, and you have to active this button. Override the customer's phone number with the default phone number. If you select this option, customer will not get vendor's phone number, customers will get this phone number. And you have to write here like this way, custom note for a supplier. We are dropshipping. Please do not include any invoice or promo materials into the packages on request. And you have to select this option, delete all product images when remove products. And you have to click on save changes for every changes. And you can use this option, AliExpress cashback and quick edit products panel. You have to activate this option. And if I go to pricing, and here you have to click on just this button for double pricing formula, and you have to click on save changes. And if I go to currency, see here is 4 currencies selected. You can select all currencies, or you can select the currencies, which currencies you like. Default currency is US dollar. You can change it from here. And if you want to show currency location, you have to select this. You have to activate this option, just like this way. Here it will show. If you select these options, you will get here like this way. And if I click on updates, and you can do update settings from here. Suppose when a product disappears or is out of stock, you can select do nothing, or you can select set quantity to 0, or send to draft restore. And notify me, you have to select this option when a variation disappears or is out of stock. Same as you can select anyone. Obviously you have to select notify me. When the price changes, you can select anyone. When stock changes, you can select as per your choice. Notify me. Activate auto update. You have to activate this option, and you can choose from here the options: once daily, once weekly, once monthly, as per your choice. And you have to click on save changes. And for payment method, I am not clicking on payments option because this is a client site. And from payment section, you can do your payment settings. Suppose you are using PayPal, then you have to give your PayPal information on payments option. Suppose you are using Stripe, you have to give your Stripe information on payment section. Suppose you are using ToCheckout, you have to give your ToCheckout information on payments option. For security reason, I am not clicking here. Shipping, you have to do shipping settings from here. Shipping countries, customers that ship to you, you have to select countries from here. Suppose you can select all countries, or you can select specific countries. A default country, you can select a country, default country from here, and you have to click on save changes. Shipping options apply to each products. You have to select this option, activate this option. Free shipping, if you want to do free shipping, then you have to enable this option. And you can do settings for minimum order price, you can change title, delivery time, super savings shipping, you can do enable or disable it, and you can do these settings. For this option, standard shipping, you can do standard shipping, and obviously you have to click on save changes, or you can click on apply to all products. You can do settings for manage attributes, notifications, coupons, you can make coupons for your customer. You can do account settings from here, you can do SEO settings from here, you can do taxes settings from here. Now I think you know how easily you can make a dropshipping website with Ali Dropship plugin. Suppose you are doing marketing for this product, you are doing paid marketing for this product. This product price is $25. Customer purchasing this product from your website with this price, $25, but you are purchasing this product from AliExpress, suppose for $12, and for one sale, just for one sale, you are making more than $12, and this is the drop shipping. And if you think this is market demanding product, you can do a campaign, paid campaign on Facebook. Suppose if you spend $200 for paid campaign, you will get minimum 5,000 engaging customers with this product, and if you get 5,000 engaging customer, you will get minimum 100 sale. And if you get 100 sale, if you multiply 100 with 12, let me show you. 100 multiply 12, you are making $12 profit for each sale, and you are getting 100 sale when you are spending $200. If I click on equals, you are getting $1,200, and $200 is your advertisement cost. And if I minus this $200 minus 200 equals, and your profit is $1,000. Actually, I want to say your minimum profit is $1,000 with one campaign. And I know a lot of marketing procedure. If you contact with me, I can show you full marketing procedures. Finally, if you like my tutorials, please subscribe my channel, like and share with your friends. Thank you.